Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Diamond Painting Mama, or welcome if you're new. Today I am unboxing Space Explorer by Lynn. This is Space Explorer by Lynn. It's a round, it's 42.6 by 60.8 centimeters. Sorry about the mess on my table. I currently have 2 whips going. Alright, so in the box, you get a little sticker. You can put in your logbook, you can put it on the box, you can put it on the drills if you keep those separate. It has all the information on it: name, artist, painting, shape, size. And the toolkit comes in this reusable and recyclable bag. Toolkits will vary from kit to kit, but you'll always get baggies. You get quite a few too. A pen and a grip, which the color will be different in each kit. Plate of wax. There's 2 things in them. Plastic on top and bottom, so take that out. And you get 2 multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. Don't know where the other one went, but this is the 4. Get it to focus. A tray and a stopper. Washi tape, which will be different in designs and colors each kit. Oh, here's the other multi-placer. It was under stuff. And then a cover minder, which I've heard they're phasing these out, but I'm not sure. Comes with 2 magnets so that you can hold your plastic back. Alright, now let's get to the kit. Canvas comes in this nice dust bag so that it can be protected from dust or animal hair. If you have animals like me, you know hair goes everywhere. Alright, rolled up in the kit, we have this little sticker sheet with stickers that are individually cut so that you can place them on your containers that you're using to keep your drills in while you're working on it. This has 43 colors, 2 ABs, an iridescent, and another kind of special drill. Why? 197. I've never seen Y. I don't know what Y is. I'll have to look that up. But over here you have the painting, and then the name, the day you start, the day you end it, artist, the shape, the size. This you can put in your logbook if you have one. And this, you know, the usual thank you pamphlet. Tips, tricks, it's included, code, instructions, all that. Over here, we have the drills. It has a sticker on it, so you know what it goes to, Space Explorer, with the canvas code, so that if you're one of those people who like to store yours separately, you can easily find what it goes to. Oh, look at those colors. Oh god, it's a lot of 310s. That's fine. Now, let's look at the canvas. The canvas is self-flattening. Here she is. So over here at the top, you got Do It Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club. Over here you have a legend with the DMC and the symbol. And over on this side you have another one, the DMC and the symbols. Down here you have their warranty, a lifetime warranty. Over here you have their social media, another code, and then over here you have a thumbnail of the painting, the name, and the size, and then you have copyright Hannah Lynn, Diamond Art Club. Here she is. The symbols are clear, easy to read. Whoa, 97. That right there, that is the special drill. That's the Y197. That's a big one. Oh man. We're gonna have to try it. Oh, it's right on top. I see it. Right, I'll show you guys in a minute. I can't believe I didn't notice that before. Anyways, sorry. Here's the canvas. Sorry, I'm leaning on my very squeaky chair. I don't usually go for people, but I just really liked the colors and it looks really fun, so I was like, why not try it? Usually I just go for like animals and not really landscape, but I don't know, creatures. So there's the canvas. Oh man, there's gonna be quite a few of the special drill. Okay. So you lift up the canvas. It's nice and soft, sticky. Sorry. All right. Let's see where. So we already found one special drill. These big white squares with 97 in them. E is the iridescent, so it's gonna be in here. And here it's gonna be scattered throughout the background, like close to the special big drills. There's some there. Sorry. My nose is really runny and I'm really sneezy and I don't know why. So 1 and 2 are the ABs. Let's see. Oh, there's 2 in her suit. Oh, and 1 right there in her suit. So it looks like that's where the ABs are gonna be, just in her suit. Oh, and in her eyes, you get the yellow AB. A little bit. Oh, and up here, the glow of the moon. I think that's what that is. I don't know, something's glowing. Maybe it's her, because it seems to be all around her. But that's where yellow AB is gonna be. The number 2. It's gonna be quite a few there. Alright, so now I will attempt to show you guys the drills. So for the drills, I've decided for my unboxings, I'm not gonna actually take the drills out of the packaging unless it's a small amount, like in the peanuts one I did, but because once I get them out, I can never get them back in, and I like to try to keep mine together in the box with the canvas. So So here's that special drill. Look how big those are. Oh, and they're squares. Oh, that's cool. Okay. That's just in a baggie on its own, so I'll take that out. And then once I do decide to do this kit and I get it ready, I'll video. Hold on. Guys, sorry about that. I just had to run over to the school real quick. I'm back now. Alright, so, what was I saying? Here's the special drills. And my cat's back too, apparently. Here, I'll take one out. So we can get a closer look here. Oh, these are so nice. Yeah. Without dropping them. Stop, Tigger! Sorry, guys. So here's that. Oh, here's that special drill. It's like a crystal type of thing. Oh, man. The back is just the mirrored. Look at that. That is so cool. Alright, so as I was saying, I'm not going to take these out because I do have a hard time getting them back in, but I will try to do a video of kitting up when I do this canvas so that you guys can see. I was gonna try to look for the ABs and the iridescent. I don't know. Oh wait. Here's the yellow AB that's in her eye, and I think there's some in her helmet too, in her suit, in the glow of her, I guess. Oh, sorry guys, I know this ain't the best. Here's the red AB. The iridescent. The iridescent. It's gonna be. Find it, guys, without taking them all out. Oh wait, here it is. There it is. It's just the clear. It's like the smaller version of the these, but round. So yeah, that is the canvas Space Explorer. And the drills. This is an older kit. No, wait, I believe. Yeah, it's an older kit, so it doesn't have the new perforated cover on it. Well, actually, by older kit, I mean released at the beginning of 2023. It was released in March of 2023, so almost a year ago. And they just started the perforated covers, I want to say December. I don't remember, but the perforated covers are a recent thing. So yeah, that's her by Hannah Lynn, Space Explorer. I'm kind of excited to work on this because I've never worked with these kinds of drills. The special, these are nice. It's gonna be fun. Never worked with big drills like that. That probably is tweezers. because I don't know. Could you pick that up in a pen? Maybe. I don't know. Well, we'll see when I get there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put this away now. Have fun on your diamond painting projects. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.